threw you out like garbage. Why would you do this?
To see if I could. Thank you. This was so much fun. Just, next time, listen to me.
Next time?
Oh, hells yeah, blonde ambition. Buckle up for phase 2.
Homelander speaking.
And that is why, as my first official act under Article 1, Section 9 of the Constitution, I am declaring martial law and deputizing hundreds of superheroes nationwide who will report directly to Homelander himself.
Thank you, Mr. President. Victoria Newman. She's a great American and a dear, dear friend. Murdered in cold blood by deep state Starlighters embedded in our own government. Now that we have full legal authority, a veritable army of superheroes will be called upon to rout these traitors from our government and from our streets. America will be safe again. And to the Starlighters, whatever rock you're hiding under, we're coming for you. I'm coming for you. Because today, a new age of superheroes begins.
We wake up to a new world where hope, purity, and Jesus' love shine down upon us all. Where children can sleep peacefully in their mother's arms, knowing Starlight's pedo agenda has been thwarted.
Kimiko!
Where America finally sees the woke mob for what it is. Monsters who want to destroy our heritage, traffic our children, and feminize our men. Where, with Homelander's guidance, we will all come together in unity. No! 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 We will make America strong again. Proud again. And most of all, we will make America super again.